guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're doing a little kitchen makeover and I am so freaking excited. We are going to be decluttering, organizing, rearranging, and just getting the space put back together. So this is the super aesthetic part of my kitchen that we are working with today, and I cannot wait to get it back in like functioning order on top of being a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. So if you're new around here, this is my pantry, which has become a mess-ish. Stay open. We call it the leaning tower because it's literally leaning over from being stuffed so full, and things just have to change. So buckle up, get ready for this makeover. Okay, so I got this whole space cleaned out minus our robot vacuum. I'm not really sure where I'm gonna put that bad boy yet, but she's staying because she helps me out a lot. Now, with all of that being said, my kitchen's destroyed and I should be making dinner, but that's okay. So I'm gonna just kind of go through all of these pieces. Like, lots of this stuff doesn't even belong in the kitchen. I'm talking to rocks in a random pot. Don't ask me. And I started a little decluttering pile on the floor. So throughout this little kitchen makeover, I'm going to be, like I said, decluttering and just putting everything back in its homes as I go. I'm going to start decluttering and start a trash bag for donations. So I briefly mentioned on the text of this screen of the video earlier on that when it comes to like a new project, whether I am decluttering or organizing or whatever, I do like to start off with a clean slate. And so again, I'm just kind of removing everything from the pantry here, getting it out, and you just need to trust the process and know that it will get worse before it gets better, even like a DIY project or, again, any project within your home. With that being said, I would love to know what you are tackling off of your to-do list today. Let me know down below in the comments, as well as introduce yourself if you are new around here. And if you are new, welcome. My name is Brianne. I am a mom of two, a wife, and a homemaker, and I love sharing all things home motivation and inspiration with a focus on minimal living, simple living. I don't consider myself to be like a full minimalist. I prefer like minimal-ish. So I am working really hard to get my home more simple and just easier to manage. And that is why I launched my Messy to Minimal series back in January of this year. And so if you are needing some decluttering and cleaning motivation, I got you covered. Make sure you go check out my Messy to Minimal playlist. Everything is in there. You can probably hear my kids show in the background, and I apologize about that, but not bad. So I put all of the extra like cans and stuff downstairs in our food storage, which I shared in a recent video. So just go back a few videos in my basement and food storage, Messy to Minimal, it's in there. So this is garbage. Unfortunately, it has expired, but I'd say that's not bad. I feel like I'm usually pretty good at like rotating. Somehow these got lost in the pantry. With that being said, we are going to be keeping very minimal food upstairs here in the kitchen, and we're just gonna keep it down in the storage area, and I will just have to run up and down these stairs, get a little bit of a workout in. It's gonna feel good. Kind of kidding, but you know what I mean. Just thinking optimistically here, if this is the worst thing, so that I'm like able to function in our house without the visual stimulation anymore, then to me, that is a win. We bought this china cabinet off of Facebook Marketplace probably like 8 years ago or so, and it was wood and we painted it white and just gave it a little bit of a makeover. And so I don't know why I haven't thought to use this before, maybe because it housed all my inventory for my old business, but we are on to better things with her. Okay, so this is it empty. Now that we've got that all done, down on the bottom I had a ton of like party supplies and stuff that we honestly just don't use. So I'm donating majority of that. And then I just pulled everything out and temporarily put it there. That box I'm gonna have to go through, but it is like almost 5:30 and I need to start dinner. So I'm gonna finish this later. Good morning. It is the next day, same outfit. You can see in the background we have the cabinet. I am so excited. It just really freshens up and brightens the space. Now we get to kind of reorganizing, rearranging here in the kitchen and just trying to figure out where everything is going to go. And of course, we're going to be styling the cabinet as well. So let's go ahead and get to the fun part. One thing that I do love to do is decant all of my items, especially when it is in the pantry. I just find it to be a lot more aesthetically pleasing. Now we are actually going pantryless, so we don't have a pantry anymore. Everything is stored in our kitchen cabinets, which you will see me do here. So I'm first just giving it a clean, of course, starting off with a clean slate. I emptied them off of camera. And then, yeah, I'm going to be, again, using my cabinets as a pantry, which is totally foreign to me and not something I have ever had to do before. But when you have a smaller space, you have to make do with what you have. And so I just know that it's gonna be fine. It's temporary. And so, yeah, it's gonna have to work out. And I'm actually very happy with the end result. So make sure that you stay tuned. The transformation is coming soon. I did a pantry makeover like years ago here on my YouTube channel, and that is how long I have had all of these containers for. I got them all off of Amazon, so if you are interested in any of them, I can have them linked down below for easy access to you. With the cereal containers, sometimes they do get stale, like if you don't eat them. And so we go through them fast enough that we don't run into that very often. And so, yeah, just kind of keep that in mind. I find it very hard to find like a super airtight cereal container. However, the other ones have worked wonders for us. I ended up having a problem actually with the one, and the customer service was fantastic. So I highly recommend those containers. Again, I will have them linked down below. I am truly so happy with how this ended up turning out. Let me know down below what you guys think of this little kitchen makeover. I hope you guys got some motivational content out of this. Maybe you were decluttering along with me, cleaning along with me, or organizing, whatever it was. I hope that you were able to just get inspired and motivated within your own home. Stay tuned and make sure that you are subscribed. I will be sharing a minimalist kitchen home tour, hopefully coming up in the next couple of months here once I am all finished and settled in with the new system. And so there's lots of exciting decluttering and cleaning motivation and homemaking motivation to come here on the channel. So make sure you are subscribed for that, as I do have a goal to hit 5K. So thanks so much for being here. Thanks for watching. That's all I have for you. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.